All right, so we're going to show you what's inside a stateroom with and without a window view. Stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? This is Beachin With The Boones, and today we are on the Carnival Freedom, and this is room 2471. So let's do a complete tour to see what we have here. So first off, you have your television where you can get local channels. Right up under here is a convenient safe. You put your belongings in. Nice mirror. Lights turn on so you can see yourself. It's got a lot of plug-ins for your cell phone and other devices. Lights, phone. Seating. This one is, you can have the king bed pushed together, which is actually two separate twins that they push together. The table can go in the middle if you're having two people, but if you are a couple, you put the tables to the side, push it together, make a king. Nice little light. Convenient refrigerator. Nice. Extra tray on the top. Let's see, here's some drawers. Oh, look at that. Hair dryer. And there's Bunny Bee poking around.
Hi.
So, okay, so you have some nice closet spaces with your flotation devices in case anything bad happens. Look at that, even more space. It's pretty nice. See what's behind this one. And even more space. Very good. Put your luggage and stuff. Stateroom with no window. It's not too shabby. Now let's check out the restroom. Oh, look, nice. So you got your shower, toilet, and sink, and that looks pretty big. It's enough for two people. I think you have to shut the toilet to flush the toilet. Oh, it says it. Maybe you don't. It just says do not flush certain things down the toilet. So, but you have to shut the toilet to flush the toilet. So, like I said, this could be a room that has two twin beds, or you can push them together to make a king. If you're staying with someone, they'll put the tables on the side instead of in the middle. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed the tour. A regular stateroom, no window.
And now let's look at a room with a window.
Okay, so this is 2477. It's a stateroom with a window view. got your king size bed. This too could be a room that has 2 twin beds, or you could push them together to make a king. And we haven't left port yet, so here's the window view. See down there the beautiful water. Here's a Disney ship just waiting to sail. You got your lights. Turn on. So there's your television. Telephone, standard plug-in. And what they do have in these rooms are a larger seating area.
Just in case if you get put on the couch. Oh, wow.
With extra storage under here.
Extra pillows and sheets. So I guess this makes out into a bed. You have kids.
There's some extra storage and your life preservers. So let's check out the bathroom. Looks about the same size as the one without the window. Still nice for 2 people. Extra storage, and there's your refrigerator. And this should be the safe. Yeah, there's your safe.
And if you just get tired of the outside world, shut them out.
So that way you can shut the window if you need to sleep during the daytime. We hope you enjoyed a look at a stateroom with and without a window view here on the Carnival Freedom. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.